Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create your own community in Reddit. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you want to go to Reddit, and then on the left side, click on the three bar at the top left, and then click on Create Community under your communities. So here you will be able to name your own community. So let's say I want to name this as my first community. Then I can write a few description for it. Let's say some like maybe random things, and then I can click next. And then I have to style my community. So let's say I can skip it, or you can add the banner and the icon anytime you want. But let's say I want to skip it, and then I can choose any topics that I want that the community is about, and I can click next. And then I can also select if the community gonna be private or restricted, or gonna be private. So once I happy with my choice, I can click create. And this is how I would be able to create my own community. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe.